Today, we're going to talk about the fact that we are not taught how to sell ourselves or our products or services. So, let's say you want to transition, you want to have move from the job that you hate to a dream job, or you want to move from the job that you're not totally thrilled with or doesn't work for you anymore into starting your business. How do you make that transition without feeling like you're pushing yourself or being salesy or you're trying to ask all of your friends to connect you with the job? How do you feel like you're just selling yourself effectively? How do you feel like you're not forcing your best friend and your mom to be your client for your business? How do you make that happen? So, 92% of employees are stressed at interviews and they're afraid of selling themselves. 48% of business to business, small business owners fear selling themselves. The fear of selling yourself is not unique. These fears are the same. The process to fixing them are the same, and you're not alone. You're not alone in how you're feeling about selling yourself if this is something that you're afraid of. The number one myth that people think is it's a numbers game. So you feel so intimidated because you have to go out there and you just have to apply to as many jobs as possible or talk to as many potential clients as possible. And what do you say? If you don't know what to say, you just feel like you're out there saying things and then you're just waiting to see who responds. Your mind goes blank, you're feeling uncomfortable, your shoulders are cringing, and you don't know what to do. How do you overcome this idea of I have to apply to 100 jobs to get one interview, or I need to speak to thousands of clients to get one person on a call with me? You need to identify the one problem. So yesterday I walked you through the idea of going through taking a client or a company from a place where they have a problem to a place where they're feeling like that problem is solved. The one problem. You need to know who you are helping, the situation that they're in. So in this little doodle, and I drew most of my own doodles, by the way. So forgive the artwork. This person is struggling with emotional pains. They have physical pains. Their knee is hurting. They are losing money. They're dealing with social connections and isolation issues. They're not getting the social prestige they want. Their friends are saying, "Bye, I'm driving away in my fancy car, and you don't have a car right now." And so there's some place where this person is hurting. We have different areas of our life or different types of desires and pains and struggles that we can experience in our lives. Companies have different types of desires. They may have a personal branding struggle where they want their image to be different, or they may have a financial struggle where they're struggling to make money, or they may have a staff morale struggle where they're struggling to bring the team together and make it work. These same principles apply whether it's a job or a business. So, how do you move that person to say, okay, I'm going to help you. I'm going to come in and I'm going to perform this unique task. I can't solve all of the problems in your life because honestly, if you tell anybody you can solve all the problems in their life, they're not going to believe you. But I can help you solve these particular problems to help you get to where you want to go. I'm going to solve this piece of your puzzle. These are the actions that I'll take so you can see how I'll start to solve your problems. This is step one, step two, step three to help you get to where you want to go. And they can watch you building a bridge to help them overcome the fears, obstacles, questions, objections, blockages that they have to getting to where they want to go. And then at the end of it, you help them get to the other side of that bridge and they see a result, a better life. They can envision it happening for them. So you are a guide who's going to help guide them into a better situation by giving them tools, resources, knowledge, products or services, your time, your effort, whatever you are offering in exchange to help them get closer to where they want to go. But you need to present a believable because it's a realistic story. And then you need to show them that this is something that they can trust. And that's where people get stuck to. How do I get people to believe I can do this? Do I need some sort of testimonials? How many references do I need? How much experience do I need to get this done? How do you overcome these obstacles? So, why is this one sentence that I'm going to show you so powerful? Because it hits on the one problem. So I help these specific type of people and companies because you can't help everybody. There's so much power in selling to one type of person or one type of company, one type of industry. When you narrow down, you can show that, hey, I'm not solving all problems. I'm solving these specific problems. And I understand the unique variation of that problem that you will have because of who you are or the industry you're in. You're struggling with this particular problem. So again, you're saying, I'm not going to solve all of your problems. I'm going to solve some of your problems or just one of your problems. I'm going to go in and help improve your staff morale for your business. I'm going to go in and help improve the marketing for your business. I'm going to go in and I'm going to help You improve your hairstyle if you're a hairstylist so that you can feel like your hairstyle better suits your face. Whatever it is, I'm going to help you be a stylist or build your career. Whatever your unique problem that you're helping, you're saying, I help these unique type of people who are struggling with this specific type of problem by offering my skills, experience, qualifications, my product or service so that they can achieve a better outcome and a better life. So, an example of this for a job can be I help hospitals, teaching and research hospitals who are struggling with creating accessible patient care for diverse populations because of language accessibility issues by offering on the spot translation services that are available online and are secured to protect client patient confidentiality. So your staff, even if they don't speak the same language of the patient as the patient, can keep the patient informed. That's an example. Another example, what I do is I help people who are struggling with taking the next step in their career by offering a podcast, online courses, and coaching so they can find what they love to do and sell themselves with more confidence, whether the goal is a job, a freelance service, or business. The people that I often work with are people who are in the messy middle of their professional growth. They want a job that aligns with who they are, but they're also open to and interested in a business. And they're not sure how to navigate those two. And it feels a bit like a juggling act. They're not sure how to make that happen and they care about the impact that they're making in the world. You want to niche down and be specific on the type of people that you want to work with, the type of change they want to make. What does this mean for their lives? Because you can talk about the result of what they'll be doing or what they'll get from you, but the real thing that they care about is the meaning that will have on their life, the improvements that will make to their business. How will it help them grow? And I'm going to, yeah. So, the question I want to leave you with today is, are you asking people to buy from you? Are you asking companies that you would love to work for to pay you? Are you asking clients to pay you using the process and the principles that I've taught you over the last few days? Are you offering them something to help them achieve a better life? And are you doing it consistently? Because if you're not asking anybody to buy from you or to work with you, how can they pay you? And if you are ready to do that, go back to the email that I sent you and type I'm ready and tell me what's been blocking you. I look forward to hearing from you.